Ariel detergent barrier is a product of the company Procter & Gamble P&G, consisting of chemical agents that allow the washing of woven materials, clothes, towels, tablecloths. This removes dirt due to the properties in process being soluble in water. Treated by means of the patented formula with an active intensive base blend effective will remove stands as well as have long-lasting fragrance. For a better impression of its image lowers consumers, it contains microsphere technology that contributes to the removal of impurity marks in chlorine. The production of aerial soap barrier a certain operation and unit process. Its first operation in the chemical reaction that has a saponification process that serves to incorporate the components with a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius and also to neutralize the sulfanic desulfurizing acid with sodium hydroxide to with water is added, obtaining a neutral paste. For this process, we need the following equipment: neutralizer, maturation tank, and oven. Its second operation is the fluid transport that has the stirring process. In this process, the soap in the fourth pass is kept in consistent motion to add other raw material such oil or grease. In addition, this allows a movement for the take of the percentage of the moisture. Not only this, but it also allows the transport of this to other operation. For this process, we need the following equipment: mixer and pumps. As a third and fourth operation, we have the transfer of heat and mass transfer that has the drink process. In the process, the transferring operation stand out heat and mass. The paste is sprayed stirring a connected with a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius to complete the evaporation of water. The transmission of mass and heat is achieved by the direct contact of gas and sprayed doublers. For this, for this process, we need the following equipment: a drunk tower.
Neutralizer, where input current are created with the variables all at 25 degrees and corresponding to the ADBS and sodium hydroxide reagents. Also the water stream. The neutralizer output current is the input to a second conversion reactor, oven, where there are two inlet current to the reactor, air and gas, with a temperature of 25 degrees, and it has an outlet treated gas, which it has two inlet currents. One is the outlet of the intermediate tank and the other in which the consumption of raw materials was took into account, where is a temperature and pressure should be 25 degrees. Drying tower. In this process, there are two operations where there are current of matter at the outlet, paste to dry and air dry, of which only the current paste to dry has a specific temperature of 90 degrees. For composition, output current take into account the humidity of the final product of a maximum of 2.5%. This equipment diagram reflects in a simple way the process of making salt power there. The first stack occurred in the neutralizer. After neutralizing the reagents, they pass to the maturation tank, which keeps the paste in motion. The second stack is a missing and occurs in the missing tank. The last stack occurs in the drying tower, where heat is injected to obtain the power there as a final product.